Well, thank you.
Oh, yeah. Want to be popping in and out of here, so just let me know if you
No
need
problem,
anything.
thank you. So, I guess this should warm me up for what I'm about to attempt. Today, as opposed to my trusty Canons, I am going to attempt to photograph using this. Yes. Thanks to my friend Josh Souza, who said you should try using this, the Camp Snap camera. Sure as heck looks a lot like a little Leica in very plastic terms. I have no idea what this looks like as I have never photographed using it. I just know two things. To start it, you hold a button like this, and there it is, it says it's on. And to take a photo, you hit this button. This should be interesting. But before I do that, I need to warm up. Yes, warm up. Okay, so I just finished having my shot of espresso, my pastel nata at Pereira's, and now let's see what this little camera can do. Man, it really does need a strap, doesn't it? Let's see what we can, maybe we can even stop photographing right here.
You need any change, honey?
No, we're good, we're good. You really can't figure out what it is you're looking at through this little thing. The viewfinder is pretty bad. And then if you wear glasses, or in my case, I like wearing reading glasses, you really don't know what this thing is looking at because obviously it's a quasi rangefinder-y. Well, it is a rangefinder. I don't know what this is. Is this a flash or a metering? I don't know. Can't be a flash. Oh, wait a minute. It is a flash. Ah, there we go. I bet you indoors is the worst place you could use this. So let's see what happens. I'm really inclined to leave flash on all the time because I'm sure this thing's sensor is not very good in the low light. So let's see what happens.
think this is a good
And
camera.
this is my Greek friend here. Why don't you say hi to your Greek friends?
Oh, hi, how are you? Welcome.
No, say it in Greek, man.
Γεια σας, τι κάνετε, σας χαιρετώ από το πανέμορφο Λιβέρνιο και σας προσκαλούμε να δείτε, να πάτε στο εστιατόριο αυτό του Pereira Cafe.
If you got that, I didn't, but I'm sure what George said was pretty cool. Show me, what's up?
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, right?
I got enough shots at Tia Maria's using this in relatively low light conditions. I'm not expecting much, but by now you've already seen what I photographed. By the way, I have not seen anything out of this camera yet, so I'm shooting in the blind, so to speak. Let's move along. Right, so here we are at New Bedford City Hall, and that is the oldest running elevator in the country. And I will be doing an episode on that elevator soon. I did one that's been quite a few years, but it was really short. And I want to photograph that and some of the photos I've taken of that elevator throughout the course of the year. But that's not what this video is about. This is about this, and I've had a chance now to walk around with it, to photograph with it, and it basically weighs about as much as like a Twinkie. This thing weighs nothing, absolutely nothing. It's a little chunkier than it needs to be, if I'm being honest. But you can like throw this thing around, nothing's gonna break. I mean, the camera's really recessed, as you can see. The lens, I should say. I don't have any idea how, what the parallax is with this rangefinder and this viewfinder relative to where the actual sensor is. I don't even know what the megapixel count on this is, but now you do, because I just put it up on the screen. I mean, it was fun. It's fun, photographing with it, taking photos. But again, it's like any other rangefinder. And in this case, I have no idea what the photos look like. So I don't know if I should adjust left, right, or whatever to get the photo. It's been fun, but ultimately it comes down to the quality of the photos. And I can guarantee you one thing, whatever cell phone you have in your pocket probably has a better sensors than this. But sometimes photography is more about having fun than it is about, perfect photos. Just keep that in mind. And thanks to Josh for letting me try this out. Oh, and by the way, it really does have a cute little shutter sound